Welcome to Novo 20 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Novo 20 Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. My brother, how's it?
I'm good. It's Mustafa here, Mr. Ngobo. And you?
Good, thanks, man. How do you feel about the game today?
To be honest, Mr. Ngobo, I'm very much happy. Regarding the previous game, we've been beaten here. I was here, I'm from
3-0, yeah.
Yeah, it's 3-0 and it's
Exactly.
But today, the boys have proved. Nathi masizala.
Yeah.
We must come because we must come here now. So enjoy. Like today, today is a win to me. Yeah, Pirates is a lose Google because the draw to me number 3 is fine for me.
Exactly.
I'm sharp. I'm really league. Yeah, Mr. Ngo.
No, number one. So where do you think your team improved today from the previous game?
Mr. Ngobo, I can tell you something. If you have watched previous matches, as the Kaizer Chiefs, the defense was very poor.
Yeah.
But today, I'm telling you, Musimango has proven ukuthi i-defense yayimashile akudlalwa kahle. Wafakwa noNgcobo, saqeda ngumremi. Yeah, Umremi was gonna kill us. Then we played football there. Yeah.
No, thanks. Congratulations on winning 1 point.
Winning, Mr. Yeah, win.